Sometimes the time-lapse can nicely visualize the process of rapid snowfall generation. In this video taken on the morning of 29th of August 2016, over an hour-and-a-half period, a persistent cap cloud can be seen locked to the summit area of Mount Cook throughout. The viewing is looking north from Lake Pukaki to Mount Cook, 55 kilometers away. The lake is at an altitude of 520 meters and with Mount Cook summit at an elevation of 3724 meters, making it rise about 3.2 kilometers vertically from the time-lapse location. The mountain is forcing the uplift of stable air that cools to its saturation point to form the cloud. Because the air is stable and perhaps capped by a more stable layer above the cloud, the air is forced quickly downward on the lee side. The stable layer may take the form of a temperature inversion, a layer where the temperature may actually increase with height. This layer acts like a lid, or surface, like a water surface, that prevents the air from ascending further. The short period of time the air spends saturated allows for the generation of just light snowfall that can be seen pouring out of the cloud. The second part of the video zooms in to show this snowfall flowing down the right side, the eastern side of the mountain. It is fun to imagine the weather experienced by hypothetical climbers on different parts of the mountain on this generally fine day. On the summit, a climber would be frustrated by the persistent cloud and strong winds with very light snowfall and maybe some blowing snow. There actually are some brief clearings that could have provided a spectacular brief view over the top of the cap cloud to the surrounding mountains and country. A climber on the western slopes would have clear skies, but would be in the cold shade of the mountain, while one on the eastern slopes might be frustrated or in wonder at the persistent small flakes of snow falling down the slopes. They might also be bathed in sunshine with the small snow crystals glistening in the light.